Hi my love, welcome back to our channel. My name is Jen. Tonight we will be traveling to Palawan, Tard and Sig. Ready? We are here at Mactan Domestic Airport now to catch up our flight 5J225 to Puerto Princesa, Palawan, Philippines. Please join us flying with Cebu Pacific Air and we will show you our experience cruising with this aircraft in the sky tonight. Now we are going to check in at Cebu Pacific Air counter.
Going to Puerto, 6:45 yung boarding time, gate number 8, and boarding paper for kayo.
Thank you. We're done checking in and now heading for X-ray and scanning. The price of this flight is 5,608 pesos for 2 people, one way only. Inside the domestic airport, there are a few shops selling some stuffs and food. Speaking of food, we don't have dinner yet, so we buy a beef mami noodle combo and chow pao for a total of 293 pesos at Chowking. And just after we had our meal, the boarding started. I guess we are just on time and I feel excited about this trip.
Okay.
Our flight duration for tonight is 1 hour and 25 minutes from Mactan Domestic Airport to Puerto Princesa International Airport.
What you gonna do? I don't wanna be the one who just keeps on chasing you, baby.
This aircraft is AiRBUS 320 from Cebu Pacific Air with 180 economy seats. Its overall length is 37.57 meters and a wingspan length of 35.80 meters.
Don't you know it's true? I'm not like the other girls, baby. Don't get it confused.
Now let's have a seat review. Overhead, we got some lights. And this is my seat. The seat really looks new and comfortable. There's a foldable table.
You gotta work to call me your own.
Seat pocket with some reading materials. There is an ample space to stretch my leg. And beside me is a window. Yay! Now let's pay attention to the crew demonstrating the flight safety protocols in the aircraft.
Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air and push wind inward to release the air. Light automatically eliminates.
Time to push back and prepare for takeoff.
Ain't no doubt about it.
Cabin crew to takeoff stations.
When you feel alone, 'cause I can't do without it. Tell me what's the move? I can't do this anymore. Need something new. Show me that you want me to. Oh, I'm starting to get bored, so in motion. I need more. I'm not your ordinary girl. No, I'm not your ordinary girl. No, 'cause I know you love the attention.
As soon as the aircraft is stable above, I went to the lavatory. There's a no smoking sign inside. This is the door lock button, same as other aircraft. There's a faucet, hand soap, toilet paper, toilet tissues rolled below, clean toilet bowl, and press this to flush bowl after using it.
But you know, I'm on a mission. Yeah, I know.
We don't have free snacks, but if you want some, you can order here and pay cash. Now landed here at Puerto Princesa International Airport. This flight is very full, so we expect some delays on getting off the plane.
You love the attention, but I don't do second guessing. Yeah, you gotta
Now it's time to get our luggage. Oops! Someone took my luggage. Hey, that's mine! That was really a bad experience right there. Good thing I got my luggage back.
Call me your own.
We are now here outside the airport, looking for our free ride going to the hotel. Thank you so much for watching on our channel. If you think this video is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos. We'll see you in the next one. Bye. Love you.
Hello! Best Western?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Under Mangubat, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Welcome to...
Come to Palawan.
Ordinary girl.